Frontsmith is an AI front office for remodeling contractors, built to run inside Codex. Codex is the workspace where the owner can talk to the business kit in plain English. Frontsmith keeps the website, customer desk, estimates, launch notes, and approval records together, so the owner does not have to hunt through tools or guess what needs attention. Start with the owner brief, ask what needs attention today, and Codex turns the local records into a simple operating summary. What changed, what is waiting, what is blocked, and what needs approval. Then, move to the customer desk. When a homeowner asks about a kitchen or bath remodel, Frontsmith can draft a clear follow-up, organize the missing details, and keep the message as a draft until the owner approves the exact text. The same pattern applies to estimates, website updates, and connected actions. Codex prepares the work. Frontsmith shows the decision. The owner approves before anything goes live. That is the point. A remodeling business can keep the digital front office moving from one workspace without letting AI send, publish, schedule, connect, or change anything on its own. Frontsmith is not a dashboard to babysit. It is a Codex native operating kit for the work that has to be clear before customers see it.